Struggling to store custom data in Zoho Books? Learn how to create a record in any custom module in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find custom modules. Then, we'll select one and create a record with a single click. First, open up Zoho Books in your browser. Then, on the left sidebar, go ahead and click on Custom Modules. Now, from the list of custom modules, select one. For example, click on AI Expert. Once that's open, click on the Create Master AI button to start a new record. Finally, click on Save to store your new record. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.